at the Furnitureland South Furniture Store in between High Point and Greensboro, North Carolina. Yeah, this one's another big one because it's a furniture store.
Yep.
Okay, well this is still not the one I just found, unless I just modernized the cabinet. There's a ground, the other one that actually served a ground floor too.
Well, we'll look at the map.
Yeah,
It's nice that he gave us a map.
yeah, because this is a big place.
Yep.
Here we got one. It's kind of interesting because it looks like the floor indicator should be right there above where it says Dover, but it's up there.
Yep.
This one has the Chirp instead of the buzz.
They don't have the arrows indicators for floors.
Okay, I think we're gonna ride this one again because I've got to get a cab view.
Okay.
So, yeah, this is a nice elevator.
Yep.
It's got the advertisements just like the other one.
Right.
So, now we'll go back up to 2.
Alrighty.
Do like the instant door close.
Yep.
Like I said, it is a interesting placement of the floor indicators. Usually they'd be above the Dover sign.
Yep. I don't think either one works though.
No?
Well, this one up here is just an emergency light, right?
Yeah.
Alrighty.
And there it goes. And that's it.